Hey, welcome back to Harvesting Income. Today I'm going to talk about Passive. Passive, which is a tool that helps you analyze your portfolio or your account. Your trading account or your investment account is linked to Passive, and when you do that, your stocks or holdings will be captured, and you can see the information how your portfolio value has grown, what type of dividends you have earned, etc. So let's get started. Let's look at different areas of this passive tool. And you can see this is the main page. I have logged into my account, and on the left side you have this dashboard. You can see a black panel and it shows different accounts. Like, I'm going to just use my TFSA account, individual TFSA, to explain how it works. And before that, I'll just go to the first page, which is the dashboard. The dashboard basically shows you the overall picture, the total holdings and all that. And then I'm going to go into my uh, TFSA account here. So it shows my TFSA account's value and all this information. And if you go into the area called reporting on the bottom, like you have my models and reporting, you will get a screen like this. It shows you different tabs, performance, activity. So let's look at the performance tab, and you have different time periods. Like you can say 1 year, year to date, all time, or you can even customize the date. Start and end dates can be specified, so that would be displayed at the bottom. Like you can see, let's say year to date, which is from January 1st 2025 up to now, like till April 18th. And I can see my contributions and withdrawals in my account. I can see the total value of my account, like basically the total value and total contributions. So total value is in green and total contribution is in blue, so I can see I am in a profit zone. And I can also see the dividend history, and it shows the dividend history from January to now. And you can see different breakdown, like dividends are coming from different funds or stocks. Like you can see that information here. um, so when I look at this, I can see that in January I made $130 in dividends, and it shows me the breakdown. XDTE is $77, TF is $16, HDIV $12, and so on. And here I can see for the entire period, like last four months, roughly 3.5 months, because it's just still middle of April. I can see the total dividends from all these different holdings that I hold. XDT is the highest, 245. Timber Creek Financial is 68. Bitcoin BTCY is 67. So it shows me all this information. And so these are the main three sections that shows under the tab. And you can see on the side, you can see the net contributions and all the other information, net change, rate of return, investment growth. It's a great tool to look at, in terms of analyzing your portfolio, understanding like which are the stocks that are doing well, which are not doing well, and what is the total amount of dividend I earned for the month, and how does it compare to the previous month, and so on. For instance, I can see here in January I made $130 in dividends. February it was 139. March 158. We are still in middle of April. It's 139 so far, and so that way you can get an idea of how your portfolio is performing. So that's it is a good tool you can use. If you have an account with Quest Trade, you have a complimentary access to the passive tool. If not, you can opt for a new account. You can create your own account. There may be some fee or pricing for that. You can check the website to know more details. And I also dropped in my links. If you are interested in signing up for passive, you can use my referral link. And even if you're interested in opening an account like with Quest Trade, I have my link in the description below. So this is my individual TFSA account with Quest Trade. So that information has been captured into this tool or app, and you can see all this information. Okay, let's look at the details here. When I look at my dividends, I can see which are the top ones that are paying more dividends. Like XDT, it's paying about $245 last 3 months, 3.5 months. Like, and Timber Creek $68, $67 from Bitcoin, and IWMW is $65, and so on. And I can also see here the breakdown of my dividends, like where it is coming from. and some of them have been flat, some of them have increased. Visually I can see from the chart, and I can also see here that some of the dividends have increased. For example, IWMW has gone up from $14 to $24, and back in February it was much higher, 27. So it's been going up and down. But if you look at XTT, it has been a little bit down, but you can see it is making up the majority of the dividends. So that's about the different aspects of this tool. But apart from that, if you want to look at your activity, there are two options. You can even look at your own account in Questrade, but of course you also have this option here where you can look at your activity. Like if you look at my recent transactions over the last 4 or 5 days, I received dividends from XGTE and Timber Creek Financial. So you can see all this information here: dividend or any withholding tax, any foreign exchange conversion, or even purchases. Like I made a purchase of some TLTW. Like I have purchased one TLTW here on April 9. So this information you can get it from Passive. Of course, you can also get it from your trading account from Questrade. And of course, you can also change this. Like I am looking at just one account. Like if I want to look at a different account, if I want to look at my RRSP account, I can change this and then look at that account information. Or I can even select multiple accounts if I want to do it like this. That's possible too. So it depends on how you want to get use this information. You can manage it accordingly. It's a wonderful reporting tool. And if I go into, you can also have other features, like for example you can create a models and all that, but I'm not going to that in this video. But if you look at the reporting, like if you can look at the report for the last 1 year, you can change the different time periods to get a different feel of how this works. Like you can look at your 1 year performance and how your dividends have done, how is the capital appreciation or value, it has gone up or gone down. You can see here, if I look at the last 1 year performance, it has been going a little bit down over the last you know the first 6 months in the past year, and then in the last 3 or 4 months it's been kind of flattish. Like it's slightly gone up, but it's been flattish because of the changes in the government or changes in the market, various reasons, and it has been performing like this. I can also look at my rate of return, average monthly dividends, and all this information that will help you to make future decisions based on the past performance. So I hope you like this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you like this video, please feel free to share with your friends or family, and also drop in your comments. And looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.